When it comes time to publish your site, it's important to think about your target audience, your grade level, and where you're at in terms of privacy and what you're ready to share. Google Sites defaults to be unpublished, so no one will see your site until you actively publish. You'll notice there's a Publish button in the top right-hand side of the screen. If you click on Publish, you'll then need to go ahead and claim your web address. So typically this is going to be first name, last name. It just needs to be something that's not taken. So since this one's taken, I might include maybe a middle initial. Okay, I now have a website name that can be published, but I want you to go ahead and look at some of the sharing settings here. Right now, this is anybody in Northwest can view the site. If I click on Manage, you'll see several other options. Generally speaking, most of our elementary students are going to stay, even middle school, as anybody in Northwest can find and view the site. Under Change, you'll see that as you get ready to share your site outside of the district, maybe you're looking to apply for a job or for college, or you're sharing it with a reference. This would be anyone with the link can find and view your site. If you're not ready to share with people in Northwest, but you just want specific people, maybe this is a teacher or a parent, then you could choose specific people can view the published site. Okay, and then when you're completely finished, you will click Publish. It's important to know that the share settings can be changed at any time simply by clicking on the arrow and then Publish Settings. When it comes time to share the link of your site with somebody else, you can simply click on the Copy Published Site Link option and then copy the link. You'll want to make sure to copy this link and not your preview link or your edit link, but the actual published site link.